Well, '07 Cadillac DTS. Loud noise in the intake. Diagnosed it with timing chains. As you can see, I don't believe it's supposed to have that much slack in there. I know it's not supposed to have that much slack in there. Gonna attempt to do the timing chains without pulling the motor. Transverse engine. You can see down in there, it's gonna be a motherfucker, but I don't know. I'm either gonna be able to do it or not gonna be able to do it. I don't know. We'll see. Give her a fucking hell of a try. But just getting into it. Just getting started. Step by step through the fucking nightmare. Alright. See you on the next one.